Okay, here's the 67 Chevy C10 pickup, short bed, fresh restoration complete, has 18s and 20s. On the front, it has 245/40 18s. On the back, has 305/35 20s. It's got the side exhaust, both sides. Small back window. Tonneau cover. LED taillights and front LED turn signals. New chrome. The bed on the truck is brand new sheet metal. The doors are original, nice doors, new fenders. Original hood. That's a traditional 67 grill. Let's take a look inside. All custom upholstery, all new. Obviously no rust on the truck anywhere since it's been fully restored. Custom interior. Has the I Did It tilt steering column. Has the kick panel custom auto sound speakers. Has the removable center armrest. This has the vintage air. These are the original controls for the truck, but they control the vintage air. And as you can see, kind of a custom in-dash vent installation. Doubled-in radio. It has the Dakota digital dash. Which has all the features you can opt to change and set differently. Satellite radio. LED interior lights. USB phone charger. And actually a 12-volt outlet. Four-wheel disc brakes, GM. Has the large rotors, large large caliper brakes in front. This truck runs and drives just awesome. Rides nice, no squeaks, no rattles. Decent fuel economy.